Hey guys, so I wanted to make a sign to hang on the door to let everyone know when I have the chickens out in the backyard, mainly because of the dogs, and we need people to know that, don't just let them run out all willy-nilly. So I start this off with some of the Smart vinyl from Hobby Lobby, their brand, and I think it's a 4x4 little piece of basswood, whatever, from Dollar Tree that I'm going to put on the sign. So there I go. I had a little bit of trouble weeding that. I've never cut that out before, so I think I needed just a little bit more pressure. So as I'm putting that end back together, we see, okay, that looks good. Now we need to mark a center point in the piece of wood because we're going to drill a hole there so that we can hang that by the door. So I go to the hubby's drill press, and of course it's not set up to the way I need it, which I wouldn't have expected it. I should have checked it before I started filming. There's Smokey putting his nose in there, seeing what's going on. Finally get it all set, and then I go to turn it on, and boop, it's not plugged in. So now I have to come over. Well, I haven't figured it out yet that it's not plugged in. There we go. Got to plug it in, and then I'm going to come back over. Here I am. Where am I? There I am. And then we're going to go ahead and drill that hole. Easy peasy. All right, so that's good. Now we take it and we're going to go, nope, we're not going to we're not going to use that. Instead, we're going to use this. So what I really wanted to do was do that in white so that it would stick out on this little chalkboard frame, and I forgot all about that. So now I'm going to use that cutout as a stencil, which is another thing I've never done. So we're just going to go and stick it on here, put that O back together. Of course, that's given me a little bit of a problem with placement. And all right, so I think we're good. And instead of using white, since we came this far, we're going to use yellow. And we're just going to daub. So that's just acrylic, one of them little bottles of acrylic paint from Michael's or Joann's or any craft store. And then we're just going to daub that on there. And again, I've never done this before, but I've seen people do it, and I'm hoping that it comes out right. So it's really cold downstairs, so it's going to take a while for that to dry. So once I'm done painting, I am going to bring it upstairs. And then we will see how it comes out. Yeah, we'll clean off the table a little bit first and put that back, and then we'll take this. And now we're going to pull off the vinyl, which is actually doing a wonderful job. I did not know if there was going to be any bleeding through, but no, there was not. It came out perfect. So we just need to pick out these little pieces. And then I also discovered after the fact that I needed to pick out a little piece from the chicken's foot, but you'll see in the final product that is done. And look how nice it came out. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.